Welcome to the Popish Plot. I'm Mike with a late, but not entirely my fault, edition of the Catholic T-Shirt Club unboxing video. Now, I'm not trying to throw the Catholic T-Shirt Club under the bus, but there was a shipping delay with February's shirt, which is why this video is late. But they made right by sending me a box. So, the return of Trusty Knife. And let's get this party started. Yes, I know you want attention. Scrapper was sleeping quietly for quite a while, and now has decided to wake up and purr and demand attention. Ha! No informational card, but we have prayer card with the Novena prayer to Saint Philomena. A cross. A sticker. Probably showing the ancient graveyard that pointed to Philomena's grave, or something from that graveyard. And a bracelet, peace be with you, with 4 arrows and an anchor. I shall have to do some more research into St. Philomena. But of course, this is the Catholic T-Shirt Club, not the Catholic Swag Club. So here we go. Ho-ho! We've got both the front. Peace be with you, Saint Philomena. And a back. Saint Philomena, ora pro nobis. Saint Philomena, pray for us. Well, well, well. Ha-ha! So, I am far from an expert on Saint Philomena, but I know the basic outline of her story is this, or part of it. For many, many years, she was believed to be a myth, or she was unknown to what was recognized as history. I believe it was Saint John Vianney. Again, I didn't know what the theme was before I opened the box right now, so I'm just we're riffing. But some relatively modern saint had a devotion to Saint Philomena, and somehow related to this, there was archaeological work done in Rome, which discovered, holy smokes, her tomb. And I know that to many, Philomena has become, oh, faithful virgin and glorious martyr, Saint Philomena, so both a virgin and a martyr, which makes sense in the Roman era. She has become a favorite of many. And certainly a powerful prayer ally for us all. So, no matter what you are facing, the struggles of your day, trouble with family or friends, the chaos in the world, may the peace of Christ reign in your heart. May his peace be with you. Philomena was martyred for resisting the culture of her age. Most of us will not be called to red martyrdom against the culture of our age. But no matter what we are facing, chaos in the world, scandal in the church, may the peace of Christ reign in our hearts. This is very exciting, front and back. It's like a brave new world for the Catholic T-shirt Club. So, apologies for the lateness of this video, partially my fault, because the shirt did arrive some days ago. And never our place here at the Catholic T-shirt, never our place here at the Popish blog to tell you to spend your money, but consider. Is it better to be a billboard for a corporation or for the Lord and his church? So, comment below with your favorite obscure saint and or prayer requests that you have for us. Give this episode a like, subscribe to our channel to be notified the next time a plot is uploaded. Give this episode the thumbs up. Church bell will let you know the next time a plot is uploaded. And I don't know if you can hear the purring kitty. Until next time, remember to live your faith, love your faith, share that love.